What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. Hope you're enjoying your Tuesday morning. So, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to send a picture through Gmail. If you watch my previous videos, you would learn how to set up a Gmail and how to save pictures from the web. Today's video, we're going to be showing you how to send those pictures that you saved to your computer to someone else through Gmail. So first, what you need to do is log into your Gmail account, which I'm already logged into. And from here, click on Gmail. Now, what you want to do from here is click on Compose, which is basically write a new email. Put your recipient in the to box. So if it's, blah, 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 at AOL.com, we'll do at gmail.com. Excuse me. Put the subject, we'll just do picture. Now click the body of your email and follow my mouse and click on insert photo. Okay, from here, you want to click on select files from your device. Click that. Now, this little File Explorer window will come up. Click on your picture folder. Now I have two pictures here. I have a game controller and I have the Eagles logo. I'm just going to select the Eagles logo. Click on it and then click on Open. And it says uploading. Oh, there was an error with that photo. It might have been too big. So we'll do choose photos to upload. We'll try the controller. This picture may have been either too big or something wonky going on. So we'll choose this one. We'll choose open. It's uploading. So there it is. So right now it's in the body of the email. And you can resize it. If you click on it, put your mouse on either corner and just kind of resize it. And then type here is a picture of a controller. And I would hit send. And that would fire off and the recipient would get the picture and whatever text that I have. And I'll show you another way to send it if you wanted to send a picture as an attachment and not in the body of the email. So let's say you put your recipient in, you put your subject. Now, from here, if you didn't want your picture in the body of the email, you would click attach files, the little paperclip right here. Then you would click, your picture folder and whatever pictures you have. I'll go with the controller again, and I'll hit open. So right now, the photo is saved as an attachment instead of being in the body. So I would do attached is a picture of the controller. So when this email would go to somebody, it would show that there's an attachment to open, which they would open this, and it would be the picture of the controller. So that's either way to send a picture if you want it in the body or if you want it as an attachment. I think it's cleaner sent as an attachment than in the body, but that's just me. You can do either or. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you send a picture through Gmail. Like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video. I'll put the links in the description of how to set a Gmail up and how to save pictures from the web, just so you guys have a refresher. So, all right, have a good one, guys. I'll see you on the next video.